My name is Deborah Ducas. I'm the acting vice principal of Grantston Primary Infant School.
All right, so people know where is the school located.
The school is located at 1 Ducas Avenue, Albion, St. Thomas.
Right, so we went up to a place called Grantston. We made a wrong turn and ended in a place called Grantston earlier today.
Okay, so this is Albion.
And we asked, where is the Grantston school? And I said, Grantston school is in Albion. How did that happen?
Because the name, throw you off a little bit. But
Right.
it's in Albion, just next to the gas station, the first gas station when you enter St. Thomas.
Right, so what is the student population like here?
We have approximately 428 in the primary department and 50 in the infant department.
Right, so I see it's a nice blend of jovial children. They're all happy children. They're having a good time. The Jaja Foundation is here for the first time. It's our first trip here to St. Thomas.
And we are grateful.
Right, and my question to you now is, how are things going so far with the health fair?
It's a great experience. I realize the parents are, enjoying and partaking in the different medical that are being offered to them at this time.
Right.
Parents, they have given their kudos to the team and been very thankful for them being a part of Grantston and collaborating with Grantston Primary Infant School.
How would you summarize this area where Grantston is? Is it a low-income area, a middle-income area, or
It's middle.
Middle? Okay.
Socioeconomic background.
Right. So the team here made up of dentists and doctors, nurses. Which is in the most demand here?
The dental.
Dentists.
Dental. Yes.
Dentists
they are
all is in demand.
High demand.
Right.
Yes, I realize that most of the persons are here to see the dentist.
Okay. And last question. Second to last question. Do you see a lot of organizations similar to the Jada Foundation coming here?
In the future, we are hoping for that.
Yeah.
But Jaja Foundation has made the trend. They're trendsetters for us.
Right.
So therefore, we're looking forward to other persons coming on board.
Okay. And lastly, Jada Foundation, as you know, the acronym means Jamaicans Abroad, helping Jamaicans at home. What do you think about Jamaicans abroad circling back to help the Jamaicans at home?
I believe that it is a good initiative that is being taken on by the group.
Right.
Giving back to where we were coming from. Giving
Right.
back to your community is always the greatest.
Okay, well, thank you so much for having us. And thank you so much for the kind hospitality that we have experienced here today, okay?
I thank you for thinking about Grantston Primary and Infant School. I'm looking forward to better years, greater years to come.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for coming to our school today. Yay!